Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your Realme Narzo 15. So at the start you have to look for the fax app in the Google Play Store. I'm always using the EasyFax. You can also try to download any other app. So we have to open it now. Sorry about that. And now if you want to add a document, click on this little plus and choose source of it. You can choose something from your gallery, just take a photo of your document, maybe the PDF from the files. I will pick the photo now. Okay, now you can add this shape to your document. If you're ready, click go ahead and choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. Like this one, and brightness. Okay, you can add a signature, text or graffiti to mark something, for example, here. Okay, if you're ready, click accept, type the number in this place. Don't forget to choose the country on the list. You can optionally give a small note here. And if you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on this little plus and choose that. If you also want to send only this one, click here, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.